Hey there, creators. Ever look at your stream and think, "Ah, man, this webcam is just killing my vibe? That plain square box just doesn't cut it anymore." But what if, in the next few minutes, we could turn that sad shape into a slick, eye-catching circle? All you need is OBS and a couple of clicks. No fancy gear, no complex software, just you, me, and some OBS magic. Ready to level up? Let's go. First up, let's move to UBS and set the stage. Within OBS, you just click the plus button to create a new scene. Let's call it Magic Webcam and click OK. Next thing we need to do is get your face in there. So go to Sources, click the plus again, select Video Capture Device, create new, give it a name, Webcam, and select your device. Now you have your beautiful square webcam video source set up, but this is of course not what we wanted. So as luck has it, I have a little present for you. In the description, I will put a file to a filter you can apply to your cam source that will make it round. So how do you do this? You right click your webcam source, click filters, go to effect filters, add a filter, select image mask blend, press OK, browse to the file I will share in the description and press open. That's all you need to do. This already gives you a nice round circle for your webcam. The next thing we should do is add this to your actual recording. Go to the scene, click plus to add a scene. You just created Magic Webcam, and I'll drag your face to where you want it to show on the recording. Now we can make this a little bit fancier. Let's go back to the Magic Webcam and let's add an image that will give this a nice green border. I will also add this file in the description. Let's again add an image, create a green border. Go to image file, browse, select green frame, open the file and press OK. And now the only thing that is left is resize this, put it on top of your webcam video source. And now let's check how this looks. There you have it. Your webcam is now officially awesome. You can say goodbye to that boring rectangle. You're now rocking a circle cam like a boss. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tricks. Thank you for watching the video. Catch you on the next one.